What we have going on here is I have PB3, PB4 down here on these two LEDs, 470 ohm resistor because that's what I had handy. Here we have on PB0 pin 5. This runs down to the switch to a pull-up resistor. It's 4.7K. It's what I had handy. And the switch going to ground. And when you push the switch, light lights. Push it again. Boom, 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 boom. Or hold it down. And they toggle back and forth. Reset. Let's look at some code. Well, the code for this is pretty simple. DDRB, PB3, PB4 are set as outputs, 3 and 4. Then we'll take 3 and 4, port B, and we'll turn them off, set them to 0 so the lights are not lit when the program starts. Now, our while loop will fall in the if statement as button press, port input B and PB0. PB0 goes through the switch, which goes to ground. Has a pull-up resistor, keeping it at 5 volts until button is pressed. Now, if this comes back true, we'll evaluate this if statement. Is bit set PB4? We're starting off, no, it's not set. Else, we're going to clear PB3 and set PB4. And we'll loop back around. Press the button again. PB4 is set. So we'll set 3, clear 4. Alright, let's take a quick look-see at these macros. Is bit set, set bit, clear bit. They take two parameters, a byte and a bit. In this case, we compare the byte to the bit shifted. In this case, we assign the byte to the bit shifted, ORed. In this case, it's the one's complement ANDed is assigned to the byte. And we'll go over the is button pressed function quickly here. It returns an incident, 1 or 0, or true or false. Receives two parameters, address, port input, B in this case, PB0, which is the pin we are using. Comes up here, checks not is bit set, port pin PB0. If PB0 comes back as not being set, we know the button is pushed and the pin has been pulled low. We'll wait for 30 milliseconds and see if the pin's still pressed. If it comes back low again, we will delay for about 200 milliseconds and return 1, which in this case it would return true and fall through into the if statements.